What's up, everybody? It's your boy, and it's your boy Antonio Keithland 40 coming back to you with another awesome vlog entry from the Hearthstone Organic Farms. Today, it's a great day. Today is a beautiful day out there today. Let me see if I can. I don't want to. Oh, see that? It's like sunshine. Sunshine, not gloomy, but it's pretty cold. I mean, I woke up this morning, it was 11 below, and now it's climbing up there. We are at -4. So it was from 11 below to up to -4. We're doing pretty good. Going into the woodlot today, I'm going to work with Sam. I want to bring the vlog camera because I really want to show you some action in there, but I tried it yesterday and it just died. The battery froze. It wasn't, it was like, just died. There was nothing I could do, you know, so that was something, that would be something I would love to show the people, but until it gets a little warmer, it's probably not going to happen. So I'm going to work. The kids off to school. Margot's off working at the school. I'm manning the stoves right now. Check it out. This is... Wow, that was tough. So we got the wood fire going. That was tough. We got the wood fire going, so it's going to be nice and awesome when I get home. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day, and see you when I get back. What's up, everybody? I just got out of work, and the wind is down. Everything's down. It's pretty warm out. I feel like let's take a winter tour. That's what I'm talking about. Winter tours. Yeah, let's do it. And before we do that, my dog. Come here, Pop Pop. Pop Pop. You want one? Alright, that's how you trick them. Those are chickens. We have 11 hens, and then that beast of a chicken right there, his name is Red. I mean, it's pretty, I don't know, it's pretty thing. But this is our wood. It's pretty generic. That's what I meant. This is our wood pile. We have about 8 cords in here. We're pretty lucky. We're not going to be cold this winter. Definitely not going to be cold. It's going to be nice, and we're not going to be hungry either because we got a ton of food in the fridge, and we get fresh eggs every day. So let's show you the coop. Well, this coop right here, the bottom half is made out of pallets. Yeah. We did use 2x4s that were laying around for about a year. We bought them last year, and we weren't doing anything with them, so we added. Margot did probably 70% of this project. I helped her with the bottom, with the foundation, with the floor, and then she went up. She did this. She did the tilt. It's pretty awesome. I didn't want to put these windows. These windows right here came out of they came out of the dump. Just for people that don't know, or my people from Boston, Chelsea, wherever you're from. If you're from a city, you have to bring your own trash to the dump. But the cool thing about going to the dump is there's so much cool stuff there. And so, like, I'm not trying to be a hoarder or anything, but there's awesome stuff. I mean, we grab all our pallets, all the pallets in here that we do for the chicken coop, it was all from the dump. I mean, just making up, you know, just trying not to spend that much money. So this is the coop. Let me see if I can get an inside shot in here. Let me see. Ah, my hands. See, she need to put a... Oh, there it is. So we're inside the coop. That's the roof. This is where they lay the eggs. We actually got to come in here and clean this out. I cleaned this out not even a week ago, week and a half ago. So, and we bed it. We keep bedding it. This is for their water. My wife did this, and they shit on it. Excuse my language. But yeah, we got to definitely clean this up. But that's the feed box. She puts the feed in here. It's pretty awesome. She did all this. That's organic feed, by the way. We don't give them no crap. No conventional anything. All organic, all wholesome stuff. Alright, so that's the chicken coop. My wife, she did all this is all Margot. I'm pretty lucky that she knows what they're doing. She knows what she's doing. Cause I was frustrated. I'm not too big into carpentry. I'm a laborer, so I've been, you know, in site work my whole life and concrete. And so as far as carpentry work, I'm totally at a loss. But one thing I do know is that it's a skill you need to have to be a farmer. So that's changing. That's evolving. I'm learning new stuff, and so I'm gonna be a carpenter one day.